Hello, my name is Abhijit. This particular video is for physios, dietitian, counselors, coverage coordinator. In this particular video, I'll show you how to do virtual consultation through Apollo 24 by 7. First step is you need to go to Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. If you are using an iPhone, go to iStore. After that, click on the Play Store. In the search bar, just type Apollo Doctor 24 by 7. Now install this particular app, which is in blue color, Apollo 247 Doctor. Once you click on this, you will get an option called here install. You just need to click on install. It will just take few seconds to download this particular app. After that, you need to click on open. So once you click on open, the app will be loading. Once you click on open, now for the first time it will give an introduction about the Apollo 24 by 7 app. You just need to click on get started. After that, just click on skip and now enter your mobile number and then just click on next. Now it will automatically fetch the OTP from the SMS. You will also get this OTP in the WhatsApp. Now just click on next, the arrow. Now here it just confirms your data. Just click on proceed. This is the proceed button. You just need to click on proceed. There is nothing called secretary login for us. You just need to click on proceed and then the timings and all will be there. It has been fixed. If you want to change this timings, just give a call to me. I'll update it. Just click on proceed once again click on proceed and then just click on get started. Now you will be able to see a calendar page where you will be able to see the list of all appointments. Now just click on the patient. Just click on this particular patient. Now just click allow. This is for the video recording and for the audio recording. Now you need to click on start consult. Click on start consult. Earlier this connect via phone call option was not there in the mobile app. Now they have updated this particular app, so I would request all of you to please update Apollo 24 by 7 app so that this particular feature is also available for you. Connect via phone call is nothing but you can give a call to the patient as a normal call. Your number will be hidden. First the doctor needs to pick the call. After doctor picking the call, it goes to the patient picks the call. Okay, and you can just tell the patient that please ensure that you keep Apollo 24 by 7 app open. Okay, now after the the communication through this connect via phone call, you can click on this call icon and then just click on video call. Just click on the video call because now the patient would be ready. Okay, the video call is started. In case if patient is not responding, the patient will also get a WhatsApp saying that Dr. Abhijit is waiting for you. You can see a WhatsApp message received at the patient site. Okay, now I'll come back to the doctor's page. Now once the consultation is done through the video call, then you can start filling the complaints like say fever. You can fill the case sheet. You can add the vitals and then temperature and then diagnosis. If you can add the diagnosis, and then medicine prescription. Now in the prescription, say like one tablet thrice a day, morning, noon and in the night. This is for 6 days. And then just click on add medicine. This is the add medicine button. You just need to click on add medicine. And if you want to give any instructions, you can give. That's it. And then you have this personal notes which will not be shown to the patient. You can write any notes specific to this consultation. After that, just click on end consult. So please ensure your video call has happened. If you click on end consult, you cannot do the video call. So this option will be deactivated. Okay. So please ensure after the video consultation is done and after the case sheet everything is being done, click on end consult. Once you click on end consult, it will again ask you, are you sure you want to end the consultation? Click yes. And you will see this particular prescription. Now this prescription you can send it to the patient by just one click, send to patient button. Just click on send to patient. Before sending it to the patient also, you can edit the case sheet. Here you have an option of edit to case sheet. Now at the patient side, you can see this is a patient app. Patient needs to click on view health records. So if it is a family, they need to select the family member for whom the prescription was given and they can click on view health records. So here the family members will be there. They just need to select it from the drop down. Once they click on view health records, here they can see the consultation. Once they click on this, the prescription has been loaded. If they want to download this prescription, they can just download it and then just open once they can see this particular prescription. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries, feel free to contact me on 9121326565. Thank you.